how to scan QR code Google Photo. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to scan QR code Google Photos. So to do this procedure, you could do it from the phone's device itself. So you need to go ahead and either select the photo that you already have taken, or you could go ahead and use your camera. So go ahead and open up your camera. Now you can see that it's already automatically scanning it. So you could go ahead and take a picture of it. So when you've actually taken a picture, you could go ahead and open it up. Here you can find this lenses option. You could go ahead and press that. As soon as you do that, this is going to open up with the link. So you could go ahead and copy all this, or else you could also go ahead and exit out of your camera and go to Google Photos. Here you can see this is the one. So go to lenses at the bottom. When you have actually continue with this, click on continue, and you can go ahead and click on try now. And if you are sure about it, now search in the app and all that. And basically you could also go ahead and copy the URL, or you could just go to the website, and this way you could go ahead and find it out. So as you can see, this was actually a photo. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.